we're going to be looking for Scotch and white pine. These guys. It's got a fungus.
I got a fungus. It's going to be easier to carry too.
Oh my goodness.
All right. I think it's a keeper.
It's dry here too.
All right. We got one. Look at all the laughs we'll get when we walk out with it.
I'm doing it. I don't know if we're going anywhere. How do you make sure it goes?
Well, you'll see it cutting into the truck.
Well, it is cutting into the truck.
And it just takes a while.
Okay.
Oh, I think we got plenty of time.
We're not even a quarter of the way through.